Please be seated. Prynhawn da a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff and to your 2026 graduation ceremony. Laura Trevelyan ydw, Canhethlo Prifysgol Caerdydd. My name is Laura Trevelyan and I have the great privilege of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. The first thing I want to say to our anhygoel, which is Welsh for exceptional, class of 2026 is congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau! You did it! That's just a warm-up. We want to hear a lot of applause for you this afternoon. I was a postgraduate journalism student here in Cardiff back in 1990, before some of you were even born. Cardiff University gave me a career, a husband, lifelong friends, and I couldn't be more grateful for everything that Cardiff gave me, and I hope that Cardiff is going to underpin your lives in the same way that it has mine. Today we're celebrating the achievements of students in two of our schools, biosciences and pharmacy and pharmaceutical sciences. Those in our School of Biosciences have been encouraged to think about solutions to some of the world's biggest challenges, including conserving biodiversity, understanding human health, and antimicrobial resistance. Those in our School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences are equipped to help improve patients' lives and create a healthier society for all. Our School of Pharmacy is actually 100 years old this year. So just think of what the pharmacists of 1926 were prescribing compared to what you can do. But that's just part of the heritage and tradition of Cardiff University. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world you're ambitious, passionate and brilliant. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that brings. And thank you for everything you brought your school and your university. We're so proud of you. Right now, you're in a liminal state, but when you cross this stage, you'll be Cardiff graduates. You're going out into the world. We hope that Cardiff is somewhere you'll stay in touch with and that you'll be ambassadors for us. More on that from me after you graduate. Family and friends of the great class of 2026, these graduates couldn't have done it without you. It must be a very proud day for you. So when they cross the stage, please make as much noise as you would like. You cannot bring down this roof, I promise you, but you can try. For everyone, though, now it's a moment to sit back and enjoy the ceremony and cherish this moment. It's special. It will never be repeated. You formed a cymuned, a community. Congratulations. Mae'n bleser gennyf gyflwyno Cynwyl ap Mervyn. I now have the pleasure of introducing Cynwyl ap Mervyn. Cynwyl will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University's School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. Her poem Education was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. I give you Cynwyl.
Addysg, Education gan Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio gwella dy wneud. Myna geisio parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is a simple delight in mind and its motions. It scintillates but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes. It's the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortens distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Mi fyddai nawr yn darllen y proclamasiwn, yn gyntaf yn y Gymraeg ac yna yn y Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ein gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau y Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrif ddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny, sydd yn rhynwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgol heictod wedi'w harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi'w cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy ei cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb, yn dyrchu am yr agoriaeth ym mhob peth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievement, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi, yr addedigion 2026. Diolch.
Thank you, Kamal. Hello, Shemai. I am Joshua Tandy, your Vice President at Heath Park Campus at Cardiff Students' Union this past year. Congratulations, Longyfarchiadau. It is a privilege to be standing here today celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for the years to come. We know that it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment. But today, you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope that you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether that from just down the road in Pontypridd, further afield from Portsmouth, or perhaps overseas in Peru. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has now become a part of your story. And no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. But you're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with the life experiences, the opportunities, and the memories that you built that will last a lifetime. Whether it was pulling the all-nighters in the ASSL, or the late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee in Butte Park, you made it through. Now, you may or you may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you do step into that next chapter, carry with you the resilience that you have developed and the memories that you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you are equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the very best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Longyfarchiadau. Congratulations, class of 2026.
Prynawn da iawn I chi gyd. Very good afternoon to you. Venue, my name is Professor Damien Morford-Davies, and I'm Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor at Cardiff University. And I'm delighted that my job today is a very simple one. It is warmly to welcome all students to their award. And I'll say something about both the actuality and, if you like, the philosophy of that in a moment. Gair I gall gynta os caf. Now, I know you've been encouraged to whoop and to holler and be all-round joyfully rowdy. You've heard the word excellence from the stage in the proclamation already, excellence. What I don't want is an amateur level of noise. There are thrash metal bands who play in this space regularly. That's what we want to compete with. Do we have a deal? That was more hard rock than thrash metal. You need to... So I'll be expecting some unearthly cries unknown to the human larynx in the next hour or so. But one favour, if I may, regarding applause. Cymeradwyaeth. Mae cymeradwyaeth gyson a hafal yn bwysig iawn. You will need stamina, you will need resilience. Every single student who crosses the stage from that side to that side, and it's a longer runway than you think, will need the support of your applause to be equally, if you like, distributed amongst every single individual, going their own physical, going their own emotional, psychological, joyful journey. So keep the applause up, os gwelwch yn dda, diolch yn fawr iawn. Cymeradwyaeth gyson fel wedais i. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, I'll ask them to stand. And a little magic dust, a little magic moment happens at that particular point. Now, technically, and I promise to tell you something about moments of being, perhaps. Technically, your award was granted and was sealed when the Pro-Vice-Chancellor for Education and Student Experience signed a form saying, these are the accepted, endorsed results of your examination boards. However, it is in this arena that, if you like, you're invested with your degree as with a gown that you've just put on as well. So this is the magic moment. And it's our tradition for me to speak at that point in Welsh to give you a heads up as to what's happening. And in translation, it runs something like this. Through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. And then the magic word in Welsh, which you've heard a number of times already from the stage, llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations. I'll give you the prompt, you'll see the body language, you'll feel the vibe, it'll be easy. I now introduce Professor Eshwa Mahenthiraningam, Head of the School of Biosciences, who will now present the students for their awards. Esh.
I, Professor Eshwa Mahenthiraningam, introduce those who have received degree of Bachelor of Science. Ruth Akhtar Abedin. Jasmine Lena Abrams. Joseph Olaswin Abadeyu Abanranyu. Shriram Danchav Vilas Arjan Amejira. Hala Al-Husseini. Al-Nawar Abdullah Al-Mufagi. Rahaf Nasir Ash-Shabibi. Bursha Al-Hajaja. Abid Sami Ali. Gasoon Ali. Kai Danya Al-Aljam. Alfie Alma. Esma Mutua. Amma Andaya Andamar. Megan Eve Antil. Andrew Liam Ariel. Jasmine May Ashfield. Nyla Ayub. Olivia Grace Bacon. Maya Shirley Bailey. Ricky Singh Baines. Guy James Baker. Scarlett May Barnes. Perdita Eloise Barrett. Jacob Lyndon Bartlett. Alice Jane Barton. Daisy May Bateman. Amira Begum. Amelia Kerris Belsey. Holly Burnett. Hallie Sophia Bentham. Charlotte Emma Byrne. Kian Berry. Amy Florence Besant Roberts. Ibrahim Al-Khalil Baham. Harry David Biltcliffe. Bethany Kate Bishop. Catherine Ellen Blackwell. Abigail Louise Blanford. Kirsty Ichioma Boons. Sasha Elizabeth Bond. Elsie Grace Bones. Yosef Hussein Bostan. Freya May Bostock. Sebastian Jack Boats. Abigail Fantini Bott. Anna Nikita Bolton. William Dean Bowden. Caden George Boyle. Imogen Kathleen Breen. Lauren Brickle. Bailey Briggs. Lara Brinston. Joseph Broom. Andrew Brown. Bronwyn Brown. Zach Burns. Charlotte Alice Burridge. Francesco Romano Caffiero. Jasmine Caldwell. Jenny Campbell. Quinn Cassidy. Amelia Kavanagh. Millie Challoner. Edith Francis Charles. Ganyu Chen. Megan Chesters. George Ryan Chisel. Mariah Chowdhury. Frida Chintalese. Shannon J. Clark. Isabel Clothier. Connor Colburn. Henry Christopher James Coleman. Lewis Thomas Cook. Alfred Cooper. Molly Copeland. Hannah Louise Pamp. Thomas Crompton. Tony Alice Crompton. Joshua Cumming. Jeffrey Cunningham. Alyssa Dagger. Abud Rahman Rafiq Dale. Matthew Dalling. Phoebe Dallow Leo. Amy Davis. Katie Prithock Davis. Gabriella Francesca Davis. Jessica Davis. Samuel Davis. Owen Davis White. Georgia Del Malvo. Gabriella Lucia Della Savina. Kasia Diaz. Noyan Dickman. Charlotte Dixon. Harvey Liam Dodd. Victoria Dogo. Caleb Aaron Dorey. Theon Downs. Hannah Downward. Saskia May Drake. Grace Draper. Amanda Heather Ann Dutton. L. Louise Eden. Mohammed Al-Shishi. Ethan Esteban Prothero. Bo Alunad Evans. Lois Allo Evans. Maisie Elizabeth Fairbrother. Amelia Sheila Farmerbar. Amy Rose Farr. Sophia Firebrand. Isabel Francine Scott Fletcher. Sophie Elizabeth Fletcher. Benjamin Ford. Jacob Foster. Olivia Franchek. Helen Furness. Maxime Gerard. Wari Garib. Jack Alfie Goodhue. James William Goodwin. Annabelle Gordon Smith. Mafalda Granado Calabrita. Charlotte Green. Olivia Grace Gregory. Ian Kyle Guru. Arshi Gawali. Evelyn Rose Amy Hack. Juliet Haney. Christoph Francis Hyder. Lillian Hall. Sadie Elizabeth Rose Hall. Thomas Reuben Hallett. John T. Alexander Hamilton. Georgina Hanratty. Daniel Harris. Rebecca Jane Harrison. Farin Mutaya Hassan. Ella Grace Haynes. Kate Henderson. Ella Azura Connell Higgins. Benjamin Adam Highland. Charlotte Hill. Katie Amber Hill. Gemma Hobdell. Ethan Hornet. Jean Hoyle. Quinn Hudson. Penelope Hull. Xavier Anthony Hustin. Tesney Josephina Hyatt. Anna Makarovitz. Emily Isaacs. Ellis Reese James. Walid Javed. Charles Montgomery Jewell. Milo Johansenberg. Amelia Johnson. Amelia Jones. Emily Jones. James Jones. Jamie Christopher Herbert Jones. Say Joshi. Romeo Casey. Cyrus Kai Condell Provum. LMA Kujili. Ayul Kola Chus. Chung Foon Jeffrey Kwan. Andrea Maria Kiriakou. Emma Marie Lewis. Eve Lewis. Thomas Rees Lyle. Catherine Kelly Laveshi. Scarlett Nonis. Alexander Long. Caitlin Lord. Lewis Lotterman. Mai Ka Hai. Bronwyn Maddox. Anaya Malaya. Eva Malaska. Sana Malik. Dana Mansour. Jacob Marsh. Raquel Ileana Martin Oprea. Elliot Martin Drew. Marcus James Hercott May. Megan Maycock. Thomas McAllister. Lily MacDonald. Lily McElfrick. Yala McElroy. Kira Elizabeth McPherson. Daniel Michael. Chloe Bethan Miller. Hannah Layla Murphy-Croft. Eve Mogford. Samaya Ismail Omar Mohammed. Alexandra Moll. Isabel Lily Montgomery. Edward James Morton. Emma Morton. Stacey Moyu. Elise Jane Mulvale. Samhita Muraka. I, Professor Eshwar Mahenthralingam, introduce those who have received posthumous Bachelor of Science. Isabel Francis Marshall.
Rwy fi, Dr Hefin Jones, yn cyflwyno rhai sydd wedi derbyn gradd baglor yn y gwyddoniaeth. I, Dr Hefin Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Nanditha Nair. Phoebe Bethan Nathan. Tiffany May Linder. Sophia Niarchos. Lucy Noble. Siobhan Anne-Maria O'Connell. Jacob Thomas Oftedal-Jones. Amelia Ogburn. Eve Omalde Okubadadejo. Louise James O'Sullivan. Louis Panfili. Elena Papaeliso. Sophie Parry. Grace Payne. Beatrice Francis Pierce. Benjamin Pegram. Aaron Perenya. Noah Peters. Caitlin Jessica Petrie. Lily Fleur Pickett. Patricia Pina. Aaron Rhys Pittard. Lexi Powell. Rhys Powell. Joshua Pritchard. Holly Mae Probert. Samuel Henry Pugh. Evie Pearl. Mohammed Sahim Adil Rahman. Katie Raymond. Agatha Grace Marshall Reed. Sophie Emile Reball. Archie Redpath. Mohammed Marjan Rahman. Dylan Christopher Reed. Megan Jessica Reed. Kaylin Rich. Katie Marie Roberts. Tobias Robertson. Libby May Rogers. Sam Rogers. Dishita Rout. Anu Mariah Roy. Tia Rudman. Mason Rugenhanke. Davida Ruharo. Jasper Ryle. Kieran Sagu. Sandra Sandre. Jessica Scadden. Beckett Seaton Bailey. Liliana Louisa Seidel. Assis Sethi. Megan Seymour. Nuzhat Siddiqa. Oliver Syret. Poppy Smethurst. Alice Louise Smith. Jessica Smith. Rhys John Smith. Sanjana Solomon. Kaylee Heidi Souza. Rosie Spears. Oliver Sant-Hilaire. Ben Starling. Lucy Steele. Isabella Stevens. Lucy Jane Stevenson. Imogen Stoddart. Kira Strachan, Ellie Sturton, Jasmine Solsh, Tia Danielle Summers, Bella Pearl Tansy Thomas, Charles Joshua Gurria Tempest, Oliver Thomas, Rosanna Thomas, Caitlin Tukey, Aaron Topham, Eleanor Toplace, Nazifa Toroftar, Emily Towler, Cleo Turley, Daniel Funsale, Caelun Venning, Millie Vernon, Helena Elizabeth Vincent, Samuel George Morgan Wake, Amelia Walker, Gemma Wallace, Thomas William Wallace, Abigail Mail Walsh, Harry Walsh, Adele Serena Walton, Aylwen Marie Walton, Charlie Waterman, Charlotte Wellings, Archie West, Hugh Warmby, Caitlin Wheeler, Etienne Alex Whitbread, Amy White, Ola Elizabeth Williams, Rhian Williams, Thomas Jeff Wilshaw, Saoirse Katie Wilson, Holly Kate Winchester, Caitlin Emily Windless, Tale Windrum, Catherine Woodall, Amy Woods, Evie Woolmer, Bethan Amber Young, Olivia Grace Iona Young, Trevenan Gerald Wian, Christina Zeros, Rwy fi, Dr Hefin Jones, yn cyflwyno'r rhai sydd wedi derbyn gradd athro mewn biocemeg. I, Dr Hefin Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Biochemistry. Jack Vaughan Breeze, Carenza Danko, Oliver Darlington, Dylan Davies, Iwan Rhys Goodridge, Emil Kaminsky, Connor James Stevenson, Nell Weaver, Lily Yardley, Dimitra Zerva, Rwy fi, Dr Hefin Jones, yn cyflwyno'r rhai sydd wedi derbyn gradd athro mewn gwyddorau biolegol. I, Dr Hefin Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Biological Sciences. Lily Anderson, Harry Collerton. Robin Clues. Samuel Nicholas Darling. Eben Evans. Tiffany Field. Selina Hanson. Oliver Lamb. Harrison Lovegrove. Cerys Morgan. Corinne Milet. Anna Maria Worth. Rwy fi, Dr Hefin Jones, yn cyflwyno'r rhai sydd wedi derbyn graf athro mewn gwyddorau biofeddygol. I, Dr Hefin Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Biomedical Sciences. Lottie Ellen Burtonshaw. Olivia Camilleri. Cayan Campbell. Francesca Cole. Erin French. Lily Hannon. Jessica May Knowles. Isabel Ann Massey. Lipika Murarka. Katie Danielle O'Brien. Charlotte Pettifer. Bailey Morgan Siemens. Rwy fi, Dr Hefin Jones, yn cyflwyno rhai sydd wedi derbyn graf athro mewn niwrowyddorau. I, Dr Hefin Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Neuroscience. Sophie Brown. Mbathrora Ella Morgan. Florence Esplin. Daniela Herkich. Ellie Hughes. Alisa O'Neilly. Chinwei Madikche. Caitlin Miller. Maya Devi Sue. Mirav Shah. Nia Stevens. Olivia Stevenson. Christopher Wilson.
I, Professor Damien Morford-Davies, introduce one who has received the posthumous Bachelor of Science. Freya Elizabeth Davidson studied on the BSc Biomedical Sciences program and was due to complete her degree in 2025. Freya came to Cardiff University with an excellent academic record, having demonstrated the highest standards at A-level, in the science subjects in particular. She chose to study biomedical sciences in the Cardiff School of Biosciences, since her ambition was to contribute to the world of medicine and human health. Now, in the relatively short time she studied with us, Freya proved herself to be a highly capable, motivated, and conscientious student. She brought a strong work ethic and a passion for learning to all aspects of her studies, attending lectures, workshops, and practical classes with diligence and with attention, and demonstrating her potential for academic success in the first-class work she completed. Freya was also a valued friend and classmate. She settled quickly into the student community, finding time to develop her social life with new friends alongside her studies. We know Freya relished academic life, and she applied herself to her studies across the spectrum of the bioscience disciplines with enthusiasm and commitment. We mourn the fact that Freya did not get the opportunity to complete her academic studies. However, today is about recognizing, commemorating, and celebrating the time she did spend with us at Cardiff University, and her family, who are here with us today, can rightly take pride in all her achievements. Since Freya's untimely passing, her family have worked to ensure she has a legacy in advancing medical knowledge and improving people's lives. Her family has undertaken extensive fundraising in Freya's name for two charities, SADS UK and CRY. These charities work to raise awareness of undiagnosed cardiac conditions and to fund medical research. They also provide a national network of defibrillators and a cardiac screening program for asymptomatic young people. It is entirely fitting that Cardiff University remembers Freya and honours her academic achievements. And so today, heddiw, yma, this university is proud to confer on Freya Elizabeth Davidson a posthumous degree award. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Diolch.
I, Professor Andrew Westwell, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Laru Amjad. Ashwin Aravind Kumar. Thomas Elliot Barnes. Harvey Cooper. Olivia Dobson. Amelie Evans. Christabel Amanda Rumbiza Gono. Abby Hedges. Kirushika Inparajan. Ellie Fionn Jones. Amelia Kites. Tiffany Love. Imogen Miller. Sarah Mai Morgan. John V. Nanda. Johan Olsson. Ella Osborne. Nathan Lewis Maroon Dan Papa. Ellen Phillips. William Rodri John Purnell. Tom Roberts. Dylan Toby Robinson. Ellen Rollis. Isabel Russell. Jack Patrick Spur. Jamal Sugu Lay. Lauren Turner. Angeline Varghese. Osokam Walter Osodeme. Caris Wills. I, Professor Andrew Westwell, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Pharmacy. Ahmed Efi Abdile. Mohammad Ahmad. Abdil Ahmad. Suban Irfan Ahmed. Shahina Akhtar. Fuli Wakemi Jesofumi Alede. Mohammed Alajmi. Ragad Alaraj. Mariam Imad Albarami. Edlin Ankantara. Abdul Karim Alaiden. Leen Al-Holi. Sofina Ali. Sarah Al-Mashal. Mohammed Al-Misri. Naja Al-Mula. Yosef Al-Khalaf. Osama Al-Shamari. Awa Al-Zamel. Adam Umim. Rachel Amotula Adiola Amusan. Neve Armstrong. Rosie Barnes. Thomas William Bonnet. Holly Elizabeth Bartlett. Tanisha Begum Chowdhury. Naheen bin Shamin. Benita Maria bin Binu. Rachel Sarah Boyd. Fionn Bray. Freya Brown. Gwion Gwilym Brown. Daisy May Buck. Isabel Buck. Gabriella J. Burris. Lara Victoria Candy. Morgan Clark. Joshua John Coburn. William Constantine. Ella Cook. Ella Ann Davis. Hardeth Singh Dillon. Betsan Neeg Elias. Caris Evans. Sophia Farrant. Jessica Findlay. Amelia Grace Francis. Megan Rose Priscilla Froley. Lily Alice Garnett. Neha Gogana. Sean Thomas Goldsmith. Iris Hamuda. Rohanis Hardy. Alexandra Harding. Samuel Paul Hendry. Orla Catherine Howell. Heaven Johan Howells. Edgerton Hunter. William Thomas Hurley. Lena Zhang. Michael Jarrett. Gabrielle Johnston. Poppy Laura Johnson. Zainab Jomar. Angel Justin. Anne Justin. Kazim Kanani. Sunithi Karunathana Karun. Eleanor Kenwood. Mariam Kriberet. Isabel Kupchik. Daniel Paul Laidlaw. Pei Lim Leong. Charlotte Long. Sharda Mabruk. Morgan McGuigan. Putri Farashi Megat Harris. Anna Melbourne. Ritika Menon. Rihan Mia. Amir Muhammad. Dylan Morse. Abra Mubarak. Grace Naylor. Mary Rose Esther Needham. James Page. Mia Sophie Parsons. Aliyah Perez. Caitlin Piper. Daniel Poole. Miriam Kazi. Nadia Kutena. Abdulaziz Rajab. Harriet Elizabeth Rees. Rosie Roberts. Dana Sabzali. Noor Safar. Nada Saleh. Tyler Savage. Anastasia Schul. Joseph Schelling. Fatima Sharif. Sadia Sadiq Mogal. Ellie Shen Smith. Anne Marie Suleiman. Guled Sufi. Amy Tessia. Isabella Timmins. Priya Vasani. Laurie Beyond Wellington. Victoria Wong. Jay Yip. Michelle Olohireri Zedomi. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Probably the loudest, by the way, this week. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. A wnaeth y myfyrwyr hynny sydd newydd groes y llwyfan sefyll, os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? I haven't done it yet. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau Do it again. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Steddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Please be seated. Thank you.
I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Umama Shahid Akmal. Molly Johnson Burke. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who've received the postgraduate diploma. Manit Haduja. Caprice Spearing. Olivia Emily Elliott. Khadija Ijaz. Ahmed Jamal. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who've received the degree of Master of Science. Charlotte Armstead. Abby Marie Audsley. Patrick Brown. Ronisha Cabral. Nathan Calloway. Adam Clough. Maisha Corbett. Nathan Daniel Cosgrove. Anna Elizabeth Duncan Davis. Ava Skye Denise. Jennifer Deerham. Rachel Edgerton. Faith Alexandra Ellison. Sophie Fox Dummer. Lydia Graham. Sarah Harry. David Heathcott. Tom Hewer. Hannah Elaine Humphreys. Henry Benjamin Jones. Neve Catherines. Robert Leschinsko. Gwenan Lewis. David Lloyd. Cherish Lukwago. Rowan Mason Jones. Zing McCoy Rock. Isabel Mitchell. Nazil Najimuddin. Ella Susan Palmer. Dorotoa Gregowska. Floruzia Polat. Yashita Posala. Alim Mohammed Rana. Yaz Russell. Jamila Sullivan Al-Kadomi. Ava Swidenbank. Daniel Thompson. Hannah Thompson. Yen Nyi Vo. Xingyang Wang. Robert Wildy. Michaela Young. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Philosophy. Chloe Russell. Julia Spagnolenlo. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who received the degree of Master of Research. Kaylee Vargas. Nina Brett. Abigail Bush. Isabel Alexandra Bushrod. Carolyn Chimilova. Reese Jonathan Davis. Hannah Catherine Evans. Kieran Daniel Hartwell. Krishna Karai. Christian Pepla. Stanley Plant. Rafael Rabio. Emily Smith. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
As our students return to their seats, could you offer a round of applause for our two groups of people, our absolutely incredible marshals today and the readers of the names, very, very difficult to do, and both parties have done so with excellence. A wnaeth y myfyrwyr hynny sy'n newydd groesi'r llwyfan sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Wait. No, not you. Them. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau.
The following students will be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers, who will doff in turn. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Sarah Al-Hussein. Dr. Rehab Salah Oalanzi. Dr. Arwa Al-Ghamdi. Dr. Najla Salah Ahmed Ashala Mubarak. Dr. Talal Abdullah Al-Otaibi. Dr. Ayam Ahmed Mohammed Asiri. Dr. Hannah Baird. Dr. Nicholas Dominic Brunix. Dr. Alice Chibnall. Dr. Joshua Drambrogio. Dr. Aziza Mohamed Fidel. Dr. Yingyi Feng. Dr. Benjamin Gambrell. Dr. Aisha Abdullah Farja Jendra. Dr. Tessa Harris. Dr. Sven Hearn. Dr. Alistair Holland. Dr. Finos Sian Honeybun. Dr. Lucille Uber. Dr. Cadwyn Hughes. Dr Naomi Catherine Hughes. Dr Cindy Ike Ashalomi. Dr Alice Jones. Dr Tahani Kaddi. Dr Lois Lewis. Dr Harry Morgan. Dr Jemmy Francis Muller. Dr Agnete Sem Olsen. Dr Jasmine Owen. Dr Teresa Paradel Gill. Dr Parinda Prapaiwong. Dr Charlotte Robinson Smith. Dr Rachel Marie Spicer. Dr Bethany Ann Tattersdale. Dr Anya Toba. Dr Truba Kubra Trabozzoni. Dr Yu Wang. Dr Emma Weir. Dr Non Williams. Dr Athena Ziti. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Now that is a long, long line of Cardiff excellence, I'm sure you'll agree. A wnaeth y myfyrwyr hynny sydd newydd groesi'r llwyfan, sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would all those who have just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau.
Studied for an undergraduate diploma or degree from the School of Pharmacy, please stand if you are able in order for the reading of the oath.
Mi fydda fi nawr yn darllen y llw, yn gyntaf yn y Gymraeg ac yna yn y Saesneg, cyn gofyn I chi dderbyn telerau'r llw. I will now declare the oath. First in Welsh and then in English, and then I will ask you to agree to the terms of the oath. A ddawaf mae fy mlaenoriaeth gyntaf fydd gofalu am fy nghleifion. Byddaf yn garedig gyda phob claf ac yn drechaf I gyfathrebu yn effeithlon gyda nhw. Byddaf yn parchu urddas a'i preifatrwydd a'i hawl I gyfrannu'n llawn at benderfyniadau ynglŷn â'i gofal. Byddaf yn onest ac yn ddibynadwy bob amser ac yn parchu a diogelu gwybodaeth gyfrinachol. Ni fydd fy nghydoau personol yn amharu ar ofal fy nghleifion. Trwy gydnabod cyfangiadau fy nghymhwysedd, byddaf pob amser yn diweddaru fy ngwybodaeth am sgiliau proffesiynol. Os bydd gen I reswm da I garedu nad yw fi neu gydweithiwr yn addas I weithio, byddaf yn gweithredu'n gyflym I ddiogelu cleifion rhag perygl. Ni fyddaf yn camddefnyddio fy sefyllfa proffesiynol a byddaf yn gweithio gyda chydweithwyr yn y ffordd orau lles fy nghleifion. Yn y holl faterion hyn, ni fyddaf byth yn gwahaniaethu'n anheg yn erbyn fy nghleifion nam cydweithwyr, a byddaf yn barod i gyfiawnhau fy ngweithredoedd iddynt ym mhob achos. Rhoddaf yr addewid yma ar fy llw yn wirfoddol ac o ddifri. Os ydych yn cytuno â phelerau'r llw, dywedwch y dwyf. I promise that I make the care of my patients my first concern. I will be considerate to all my patients and will serve to communicate effectively with them. I will respect my patients' dignity and autonomy and their right to be fully involved in decisions about their care. At all times, I will be honest and trustworthy, respecting and protecting confidential information. My personal beliefs will not prejudice my care of patients. Recognising the limits of my competence, I will keep my professional knowledge and skills up to date. If I believe that I or a colleague may not be fit to practice, I will act quickly to protect patients from risk. I will not abuse my professional position and will work with colleagues in the ways that best serves my patients. I will never discriminate unfairly against patients or colleagues, and I will always be prepared to justify my actions to them. I make this promise solemnly, freely, and upon my honour. If you agree to the terms of the oath, say I do.
Thank you very much. Be seated.
Prynhawn da bawb, llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn i chi raddedigion 2026. Angharad Neilir ydw i, Deon y Gymraeg ym Mhrifysgol Caerdydd. Prynhawn da, good afternoon. I'm Angharad Neilir, Dean of Welsh at Cardiff University. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations to all who have graduated today. Mae'n fraint gen i gyflwyno'r Dr Mario Gualano, un o gynfyfyrwyr y Brifysgol i'ch cyfarchu y prynhawn yma. I'm pleased to introduce our alumni speaker, Dr Mario Gualano. Mario is a double Cardiff graduate with a BSc and PhD, who has built a stellar career in medical diagnostics and biotechnology. He has held leadership roles across Europe, the US and China, including as Global President at Thermo Fisher Scientific and Group CEO of BBI Solutions. He holds several director and non-executive roles, including current membership of Cardiff University's Council. Mae'n braf iawn croesawu Mario I ddweud gair a llongyfarchu y prynhawn yma. We are delighted to welcome Mario today to share some words with you.
Thank you very much. Graduates, congratulations. Pharmacists, you can make yourselves immediately useful with some lozenges and analgesics, please, and do that while the biologists are growing us some new skin for our hands, I think. Congratulations. I naturally turned to AI when I was given the privilege of being asked to make this speech, and most of what came back to me wasn't very interesting, so I did the next best thing and turned to my wife. And she said, "Oh God, why have they asked you? Keep it short, you're just not that interesting." I'm delighted to say she's on the stage with me here today. And by the way, we met here in Freshers Week 39 years ago when she was starting her pharmacy degree and I was starting mine in biology. So it's super strange to be back here today with you all. As you've probably guessed from my name, I'm not Welsh, and you'll soon be able to tell from my pronunciation. But coming here to Wales meant that I fell in love with a country, and more especially a university that for me, as it's doing for you, changed the course of my life. And having spent a bit of time here, you might recognize a few words from the national anthem. Gwladbaedd a Chantorion, land of poets and singers. And certainly when I was here, a modern-day Welsh poet wrote the words, "Libraries gave us power, then work came and made us free." Okay, it was the Manic Street Preachers, but I was never very cultured. But the point stands. I don't remember anything that the speaker said at my graduation ceremony, but I do remember being sat where you are now and looking around at my friends and thinking that those libraries had somehow given us a power to chase our ambitions. And so this isn't about any wisdom I can impart on you. It's all about how you feel. And I'd just like for you to take a second and reflect on that new power that you've got, and then mix it with the immense pride that we as a university and your loved ones feel in you, and promise yourselves that you're going to chase your dreams, however mad they might seem to you now, because you can make them happen. And that's it. It's as simple as that. I was going to finish by wishing you luck, but you're not here today because you're lucky. You're here because you worked hard and because you can apply yourselves. And that's going to serve you well in chasing those dreams. So instead, I'm going to wish you all the success in the world, and everyone's going to join me in giving you a huge big cheer as we say goodbye.
Thank you, Mario. That was a terrific speech for you new grads. Reflect on your new power and chase your dreams. That's 7 words that you can live by. Well, it's my great pleasure to bring this ceremony to a close. Llongyfarchiadau, dy hun rhan o gymuned cynfyfewyr Prifysgol Caerdydd. Congratulations, you are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni stand out, as you can see from Mario. Some are high profile, others are quiet, well-informed, low-key contributors to their communities. You'll find your own path, but I know that you'll make a difference. Virginia Woolf is my favorite novelist, and she said it best. No need to hurry. No need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. So go out there and be yourselves. Cardiff has given you more than just a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and challenge conventional wisdom. In this era of AI, you have real intelligence. You have critical thinking. So use it. Don't use AI to think for you, please. And I promise that I didn't use ChatGPT for my speech. Mario didn't use it either, so that just shows you Cardiff grads don't use AI to write speeches. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope that you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. I saw so many of you make the heart sign when you crossed the stage, and that really struck me. Because you have developed here a special sense of cynefin, a sense of belonging and of place. As part of the Cardiff University alumni community, we want you to keep coming back here. Tell us about the highs and the lows. Don't become strangers, please. On Friday night, more than 1,000 alumni will be here in Cardiff for our first ever big reunion weekend. They'll be there under the same tent at Graduation Gardens that you have been at, reflecting on how Cardiff helped shape their lives. I want our alumni community, of which you're now an integral part, to be a social and professional network which is with you forever. So I'm inviting you, the great Cardiff class of 2026, to come back next year for our next big reunion weekend. And keep coming back. Come back in 2076 for the 50th anniversary of your graduation. I will not be here, but have a fantastic party. So to that end, please volunteer and put yourselves forward as class of 2026 ambassadors to organise the reunions of your future. Before we close the ceremony, there's one final Cardiff tradition that we need to uphold. You heard your loved ones making a lot of noise for you. I'm sure you'd be the first to acknowledge that you couldn't have done it without them. So come on, stand up. It is now your turn to face your friends and your family. You heard how much noise they made for you. On the count of 3, can you thank them, please? Very nice. You may be seated. Longyfarchiadau I chri Raddodigion Gaerdydd. Congratulations to you, Cardiff's newest graduates. To close our celebrations, here's a film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni community. At the conclusion of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves. Thank you, diolch yn fawr iawn, to all of you for joining us today. And one last time to the bendigedig, the fantastic class of 2026. Longyfarchiadau.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, yng Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roeddwn ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael lyfryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at 18. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
Mae'r arena nawr ar gau. Ewch yn syth at yr llanfa agosaf os gwelwch yn dda. The arena is now closed. Please make your way to the nearest exit.